2019 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, navigation system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, 4-wheel drive, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.